Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete DLC or add-ons in specific games on your PlayStation 4. So if you go to the game and you scroll on down, you may have noticed that there is a section specifically for add-ons. So if you scroll on down to where it says PlayStation Store and we select this, on the top it says Your Add-ons. We can go to this and then we can see and download all our specific add-ons. However, there is no option to actually delete them from this menu. Now, in some games, you can actually do this inside the game. So in Call of Duty, I believe, you can go to it, you can press options, and then you can go on over to settings, you can go to manage files, and you can go to Modern Warfare or Warzone, and you can go into it to manage files, and you can delete the campaign, the co-op, the multiplayer, etc. from here. All you have to do is press all install or install right here. Now, if you want to do this for a different game, well, the only way to do this is actually to delete the game and then re-download it. So if you go to the home screen here and then go on over to library and then go to purchase right here, this will display all your games. I'm going to go to a different Call of Duty game. Now, instead of going to download, we want to go back to the PlayStation Store, go to the right, then go back to your add-ons right here, and it's going to load everything that you can specifically download for that game. So you can see Warzone 2 listed in here. That's already installed. Then I'm going to go to where it just says the campaign, and I'm going to download just the campaign if I can. So just download that part of the game you want. This should work for other games as well. So not every game you're going to have this option, but that is how you can delete some of the DLC in some games. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.